Have you ever seen this type of beautiful beer can made like this? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the best and the easiest way to do that. So doesn't talk more further, let's see how to make this. So you can download this mockup file from the description's download link. So after download, you can drag it and drop to your Photoshop. So after import Photoshop, you can customize this. So you can see in this mockup, you can see 3 groups are available and the 1 smart object is available. Then you can see your design, double click name smart object. You can customize this smart object by double click on it. Then if you anything change in this smart object, it will appear on this soda can. So let's customize this mockup, this smart object. So your interest, I'm going to fast forward. So you can customize your own style. So I'll start to customize this. Okay, I already customized this smart object. Then you can simply press on Ctrl and S to save this. Don't worry, this is already saved in your mockup. So wait some second to update your smart object. Okay, then you can move to your product mockup. Then you can see your beer can or your soda can mockup is update. By using this system, you can customize this smart object you like. Then it will save into this soda can. Then if you can do this, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new videos quickly for you. So we will see in another interesting video with more new stuff, and see you again on TECHEX.